Welcome. Today, we're going to be showing you how to set up your new IX90 device. To begin, start by unpacking and unboxing all of the gear. Set the IX90 on a stable countertop. For our next step, we're going to be connecting all devices to the cable hub and power outlet. The tablet will have two cables connected to it. Plug in the tablet's cables to the cable hub. Connect the two-piece DC-in power cable to the cable hub and an outlet. Now it is time to install the printer. First, remove the back cover of the printer labeled Verifone. This may require a bit of force. Connect the USB-B cable from the printer to the USB-A port of the cable hub. Connect the two-piece power cord from the printer to an outlet. To load paper into the printer, open the paper door of the printer by pulling downwards on the blue tab in the top left corner. Place the paper roll inside. Make sure the paper is coming from the top of the roll, not from the bottom. Align the printer paper to the tabs on the paper guides. Hold the paper up while closing the door to ensure proper alignment. Next, we're going to be setting up the tablet. Power on the printer by pressing and holding the power button until it beeps. Power on the tablet by pressing and holding the power button until it turns on. Select a language on the payment device. Connect to Wi-Fi by entering a password, or connect the optional Ethernet cable from the cable hub to the internet router. Enter the device ID on the payment device. You can find the device ID in your email from Verifone or on the packing slip attached to the box. To locate it, remove the packing slip from the plastic wrap and look at the bottom left under Remarks for a 16-digit number. After entering the device ID, the device will begin a series of downloads, which can take up to 30 minutes. Please ensure the device remains on and connected to the internet until the process is complete. While the payment device is updating the software, select a language on the tablet and click Start. Connect to Wi-Fi by entering a password. Connect to the same Wi-Fi as the payment device. When asked Copy apps and data, click on Don't Copy. Sign into an existing Google account or create a new one. Read Google's terms and services and choose I agree to move forward. Set a PIN or press skip on the bottom left-hand corner. We advise choosing skip, as the PIN cannot be reset if forgotten. When asked to set up Google Assistant, choose No Thanks. When asked to select the Home app, select Quick Step. Delete all three pre-installed Delta applications on the device. Once you are finished, it is time to download the Delta1st POS app. Go to the Play Store app and search Delta1st POS. Install the appropriate app for your industry. You can choose from food, retail, or service. Open the downloaded app. Click Allow Photos and OK for permission to access. When asked for printer permissions, select OK. Enter the subdomain from your Delta1st welcome email. Log in with the username and password also from your Delta1st welcome email. Pair the tablet to the payment device by entering the IP address from the payment device. On the payment device, swipe down on the screen and hold onto the Wi-Fi icon. Tap on the network name that is connected to navigate to the network's information page. Note the IP address on the bottom of the screen. Type that same IP address into the tablet and press pair. Once pair is pressed, please check for the notification at the bottom middle of the screen to confirm that the pairing process was successful. If you would like to connect the cash drawer, the connection port is located on the bottom of the cash drawer. The cash drawer cable will be labeled printer on one end and cash drawer on the other. Connect the end of the cable labeled cash drawer to the cash drawer and the other end labeled printer to the printer. If these steps are followed correctly, the IX90 device should be ready to use. We strongly encourage you to run a test sale to ensure that the device is functioning properly. For additional support with your setup or with any other questions you may have during our partnership, please contact Woodforest Acceptance Solutions Support at 888-584-2265 and select option 2, or contact us at merchantsupport@woodforestpay.com.